What is going on? So we back with another one, and I just wanted to share a quick testimony within myself. Man, I did it. I upgraded to the six-figure marketing system. As you can see here, it's a picture of me starting at the six-figure feeder, and this is why I upgraded to the marketing system. As a newbie online, as someone's just getting started out, it can be a hassle and a struggle to keep up with different types of autoresponders, different type of capture page softwares, different type of mailing systems, different type of ways to pay for traffic. So all those things can add up in your business. And when you're able to have one whole marketing system where you can get a 30-day email follow-up, done for you capture pages, bridge pages that you can edit yourself to be able to market any business you want. When you get other things like a QVC code reader, a link shortener, a full autoresponder, and a way to hook up a third-party autoresponder, and you're able to throw an email blast. I'll go over some of this stuff with you in the background, but I just wanted to share with you. We'll go inside. We'll go inside and check out some of the tools and stuff, but I just wanted to share with you my testimony on why I upgraded to the marketing system. And you see here, I paid James through Cash App the $150 for the marketing system. So inside the marketing system, you're going to be able to edit capture pages and view your contacts that collect right into those specific capture pages that you edit to make your own, so that way you can market other business opportunities, or just market the same I got a little stuck there. Anywho, market the same system, and I'll get over into the affiliate side of this system in just a little bit. To show you how to edit your bridge pages. Bridge pages are very important because it warms those cold leads up to you. It lets the person know who they dealing with. It gives them a sense of like, trust, and know, so that they're more susceptible to buy from you. When somebody is more comfortable with you, they're more willing to buy a product from you. So being able to build a bridge page is very important to your business and having some success online, because you build that like, know, and trust. And that's an awesome thing when it comes to marketing. How to set up your autoresponder. You can connect any third-party autoresponder like GetResponse, MailChimp, and any other, a couple other autoresponder companies that do allow you to connect to this. You get to throw out a broadcast message every week where every single one of your leads will get a message from you saying, hey, either you haven't joined yet, or giving some testimonials, or giving out some value on how to be a better marketer, or what's helping you be a better marketer. So being able to do that it's a wonderful thing, man. I love it. I'm really enjoying having this system and being able to use it, be able to create a UR code. I think for me, this feature is awesome. And I know I say that a lot, but this feature is really good. Just put it in this way. Say you have an ebook to sell, and on that ebook, you could put that QR code on the front part of the label, somewhere within the pages of that ebook. So when they're sharing this ebook with other people, whether you be doing in the wealth niche, the health niche, the cooking niche, whether you're into relationships, how to help somebody get a better relationships, the power to be able to have your capture page and for them to have a way to go straight to your offer through their ebook will be phenomenal to your business. So be able to have that QR code maker makes a big difference. And last but not least, you got the URL shortener. So with this, you can go inside of here, take your long big username, and shorten it. Is exactly how Bitly is and any other QR code shrinker there is on the market. You have your very own. You don't have to go buy a subscription. You don't have to have the same link name as everybody else on your for me page or follow me page. If you're doing TikTok marketing, my link is in the bio. You'll have exactly your website link, so people get to know who you are. And again, that leads back to that like, know, and trust factor when it comes to online marketing and working within your business. So I want to go by here real quick, and I want to show it's made me proud, and it's one of the things that really pushed me to say, and I want to upgrade as an affiliate. Number 3 for the last 7 days on the leaderboard. I'm proud of that. That's very proud. That makes me know. That lets me know that I'm helping somebody with a very good opportunity. Not only as a make money online niche, but the opportunity to be able to have a full marketing system and within that full marketing system to be able to have done for you video sales pages, done for you email marketing. Because when you're new and you're just getting started out, or even after you've been in this game for a while, I've been 3 years doing affiliate marketing, and this year the best platform I've seen on the market this year. So if you want to join with me at the 6-figure marketing system, this is how you join. So you're going to go through the 8-minute video. It's going to do all the explaining and let you know and what more features and products and stuff that you have with this. You're going to fill out the confirmation form. You're going to click 6-figure marketing system or whatever system you want to get started out with. And then you're going to agree to the terms, and you're going to send your payment, and you're going to send one payment to the direct line, which would be me, one payment to the leverage line, which will be the person that I got started with, and then an admin fee. So once all 3 of those is confirmed, you'll have access to your back office. You have access to your done for you video sales pages, so that way you can hit the ground running. And I want to say this: if you're seeing this video, I want you to comment down below, say video, follow me on Facebook. I'll have the Facebook in the description, and let me know that you've seen this off the YouTube video. And when you get started with me, I'm going to add you to my traffic rotator, so that way you can get even more eyeballs off onto your page. Because when I started off in this, I thought I had met somebody that was sincere and wanted to help me and was gonna show me the ropes. But once they got my cash, they burned out on me. So I had to do a lot of learning. I had to do more market research. I've invested in myself in courses on attraction marketing, how to market through social media. I've took courses on branding marketing. I took courses on production, how to be able to produce a video so that way you can understand everything clearly and know what it is that you're getting into. If this is something that you see yourself getting into and you want to join, I have the link in the description in the bottom. Go ahead, watch the 8-minute video, join with me. I'm gonna end it right here, you guys. To your success. Oh, and like and follow the video, please. Like and follow. That helps me in the algorithm. Somebody else might enjoy this video, and this could be a better opportunity for them if it's not for you. But please like and follow. Hit the description, and you know what I'm saying. Get down to that link. Get started with me. My six-figure marketing system, and I'll get with you guys later. Get out of here. Go do something. Go play with the family. Go be with your kids. I know I am. Get out of here, man. Bye.